channel Techie Minds. First of all, thanks to all my viewers for the encouraging feedback. This will definitely keep me going. From the series of educational video on gearing yourself to be employable, let's move our focus on an informative video. Ikigai is a buzzing word. In today's video, we will find out what is Ikigai and finding one for ourselves. Keep watching the video. What is Ikigai? Ikigai is a Japanese word meaning finding purpose or direction in life, a reason for one's being, or a word that makes one's life meaningful. In this video, we will see what is Ikigai and who is this useful for. This is good for every one of us. It is useful for students to understand what is it that will help them enjoy their life by getting into a profession which they are not only good at but also love to do. At the same time, it would be useful for the world too. It can be good for all age group people to look for how to get paid from what they love or enjoy doing. Finding your Ikigai would mean answering 4 simple questions. What do you love? Do you love to draw, dance, sing, write? What are you good at? A skill that you have which gives you an edge over others. What can pay you well? A profession that can pay you. This would mean getting a degree for many of us. What does the world need? Something which the world needs, like reducing pollution, saving environment, etc. Let's look at what the Japanese people mean by finding your Ikigai. We discussed 4 things. What do you love? What are you good at? What can pay you well? And what the world needs. In the Venn diagram, the region which shows the intersection of what we love to do and what we are good at is our passion, while the intersection of what we love and what the world needs is mission. The intersection of what we are good at and what we are paid for is nothing but our job or our profession, while the intersection of what we are paid for and its use for the world is vocation. Let's try to find out the difference between vocation and profession. A vocation is generally a job that requires a particular skill set which is not necessarily acquired through training but through experience. So, this necessarily does not depend on college degree. Whereas, profession refers to a career that one opts for by acquiring special skills and getting extensive training to become eligible for a job. This would mean being a lawyer, an engineer, a doctor, or some other profession. There are very few people who have same passion and profession. Very few are privileged to have a profession which they are passionate about and have the same as a mission. The teaching profession. Here, they are paid for a job and it is something that the world needs. This is the example of vocation. There are teachers who get a chance to create a change or motivate a few students in the classroom environment or target vast number of people through social media platform by creating knowledgeable videos. This helps them acquire their mission. The same might be applicable to writers. Finding a meaning for life by choosing a profession which you are passionate about and making it your mission is what defines your Ikigai. So, Ikigai is happiness of staying professionally busy and keeping us motivated to passionately follow something we love. This is the one which drives us to create a difference to the world. A few examples of the founder of KFC and chain of Arvindam Eye Hospitals who found their passion and made it their profession and mission in their late 50s. So remember, It's never too late to start. So let's start by practicing it on a day-to-day basis. Finding meaning to our life on daily basis is nothing but everyday ikigai. This is very crucial, especially during the pandemic when we all want to stay motivated. Finding the flow in everything we do and trying to remain active. Taking it slow and not worrying. Living in the present, cultivating good habits. This could also mean having good nutrition. Being optimistic and seeing positive in everything. Expressing gratitude, which would mean counting our blessings. Exercising on day-to-day basis. Reconnecting with nature. Nurturing good friendship. Have few friends who really understand you. Living by practicing day-to-day or everyday ikigai would mean living happily and longer like people on the Japanese island Okinawa. Please remember, the more you praise and celebrate life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. Please write to me about the topics on which you would like to have more videos on by writing to me on the email ID mentioned in the description box below or in the comment section. Like and subscribe to my channel. Also, please do not forget to share the video so that it is useful for many more people. Thank you for watching Techie Minds. Keep watching Techie Minds.